Keep watching if you want to see how I made this one piece. So as you can see, it's not really anything I'm going to have to, the good thing about this, I'm not going to have to do anything to the top half. I'm going to leave it as is. So I only have to cut here and here to make the shape and basically stitch or glue the two pieces like this, or even I have some of these I can attach if I wanted to too. So, you know me, always trying to do the most by doing the least. Don't let it go over your head. You can see I cut it. I left a little extra seam allowance, you know, just in case you just need it. You never know, you can always cut it off. So this is going to be for my costume at work tonight. We having Veronica Vega for the Halloween erotic exotic ball, so that's what I'm making this for. I'm hoping that this is a better, this camera is really doing this fabric no justice, but it got sparkle in it. It's very stretchy. It's gonna look good. I'm about to try it on. To make my my cuffs to go around my wrist, this is my dog's little tuxedo jacket. It actually was my other dog before I got this dog. I didn't have him, so it's old. I'm gonna just cut off the little hands and put this around my wrist. It fit right around. So yeah, resourceful 101. I'm done with my cuffs. I think they look super cute, especially you got the button right here. I might make a collar or something with this because I just like this satin material and it's like tailored already. So this might be like a choker collar thing. And I got the rest of my accessories from Walmart. Cheap. So all together I probably spent about, these are $8, this is $6. And then maybe like $15.